Unboxing my monitor 22-inch Full HD.
You need help?
Can you hold this, my camera?
Yes, you can. Why not? Oh, that's not the correct unboxing. You know, that's not the correct unboxing.
Ah, that's wrong.
Oh.
Just cut it here.
No.
There.
No, it's like this.
Ito yung monitor ba masira?
No, that's the correct unboxing.
It's have a styrofoam.
It has the
Styrofoam.
And
and
my
plastic.
monitor TV.
And this is the monitor.
Hey! Look at my... Atay, wag mo na. Medyo mo...
Yeah, sure. And yes, that is the monitor. No, that's beautiful. Well, oh wow, it's so big, so wide.
So length and
22-inch.
No, that's 21.5.
Thank you. Stop na.
Meron pa.